Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick guide, I will show you how to transfer your domain to Shopify in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First of all, log into your domain registrar, go to the domain settings and make sure to unlock your domain. This is important for the transfer to work. Next, request your EPP or authorization code. This is like a password for your domain transfer. You will receive it via email. Now, log into your Shopify account. Go to settings, then domains, and click transfer domains or click connect existing domains. Then enter your domain here, then next, then transfer it to Shopify. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete the transfer. It may take a few days, but Shopify will notify you once it's done. And that's it. Your domain is now managed by Shopify. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.